Hey guys, just wanted to give you all an updated portfolio for Forex. Today I am up around $1,200. Currently right now I do have a couple positions opened. Again, this is based off trading from the new EA, which basically does all the trading for me, right? Beta testing for a friend and going to be doing this for a very long time, but just wanted to update you guys, basically doing like a journal on the actual positions that this thing takes. I will be teaching. I will be releasing videos. Let me see if I can find a good setup here. Yeah, so I will be teaching you guys how to actually, start using Forex for those that are interested, and how to actually use TA, the MACD, stochastic, everything, how to trade certain levels and what to generally expect from Forex and stuff, right? So I will be releasing videos probably sometime later next week, but for the most part right now I'm sticking to what is it called, general portfolio updates and what the EA is actually making throughout the day. So today it made 12.30. I think yesterday it only made like, I think it was like $12. Let me see, 22. Yeah, I think, well, no, 51. So yesterday it made $51, just doing euro and NZD USD. And then today I actually added gold, and I added the German 30, or the Germany 30, right? Whatever it's actually called. But yeah, just updating you guys. 1200 today, basically hands free.